Hey everyone, I'm Vanessa Gappazani and I'm going to take you through some of the looks for our shadow collection. For our Mystic Fog model, she came in with a natural level 4 and we wanted to create a dimensional look using Mystic Fog. Starting at the nape using Blonde AF, I went ahead and did slicing, left the midsection out to create a lot of depth and dimension, then started again until I reached the crown of her head. We moved to the sides, continuing the slicing technique, and let her process till she was about a level 8. We went ahead and low lighted with Mystic Fog and did some highlight pieces with Lilac and Elixir. We gave her a really beautiful bouncy blowout, and at the end, shined her up with some Memphis Shine Spray. Mystic Fog is a beautiful, deep, smoky violet, perfect for those dark, rich colors you want. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I am Vanessa Gappazani.